This is your BACS 2042 Research Methods assignment. Under the classwork, you will be able to see assignment topic, and there are 7 files, altogether 7 files attached under this assignment topic. A first file is your assignment cover page. You will have to include this in your assignment submission end of the semester. Number 2 is your assignment rubrics. You will need to fulfill all these criteria from number 1 to number 10. Each one of these criteria will carry 10 marks, which include presentation in the 10th item. Presentation in the 10th item also will carry 10 marks. So altogether 10 criteria, and each one will carry 10 marks. Number 3, this will be the assessment rubric, and you are going to fill in this assessment rubric part 2 in your assignment for your team member. So this will be individual submission. You will need to fill in your team member's name and allocate marks accordingly. There are 10 criteria as well. You will have to award or allocate marks for your team member. And remember, these marks will be confidential and it will not be revealed to your team member. And therefore, rest assured, you can actually be honest in filling this form. Let's look at number 4. You will have to include this also in your assignment submission end of the semester. And I will be allocating the marks for each of this section here. And this will include individual assessment and also individual assessment from your team member. Please attach this form as well in your assignment. That's number 4. Number 5, this is your assignment specification. Now, what you need to do in research methods is to produce one research paper. You will need to produce one research paper, and we will give you the research paper template, which is document number 7. So these are all the criteria that you have to fulfill. The title of the research paper, the team member, the name of your faculty, the title, the authors, the abstract, keywords, so on and so forth. So in each practical lab, we will be going through each one of these items. And in your lecture as well, please attend your lecture, because your lecturer is going to go through each one of these items as well in the lecture class. You will need to find a partner. Minimum 2 persons in a group, maximum 3 persons in a group. And this will be all the criteria that you have to fulfill. You have to fill in all these blanks in your research paper. So these are the subtopics that you have to fill in the blanks in your research paper. The maximum page number for your research paper should not exceed 20 pages. And I would say minimum will be 5 pages. I'm sure that you will be able to produce more than 5 pages, because the abstract itself, the introduction, and also the references, appendix, it will be like more than 5 pages. But it should not be more than 20 pages altogether. So we'll go through all this content again from lab to lab, from one practical lab to another practical lab. That is your document number 5, assignment specification. Number 6 is your submission checklist, because there are so many things. So you will need to actually look at this submission checklist and make sure that you have done everything. And then you will have to declare that this coursework is done by you and also your team member. Sign and attach this form in your submission. That's your document number 6. And document number 7, please make use of this template. This will be the template for your research paper. You will have to fill in the blanks. You will have to change the information here. And if you look at here, there are 12 sections altogether. 12 sections altogether, and excluding the abstract and keywords. You will also need to include your abstract and keywords, and then from 1.0 all together to 12.0 appendix. So this is the template that you have to use and you have to produce for this whole semester. So altogether 7 documents. Please make use and refer to these documents from time to time.